Today, let's look at how we can deposit money on BYBIT or on any other platform. So it's going to be similar to Binance and OKX or KuCoin, whichever one you are using. But today, let's explore BYBIT. If you don't have BYBIT account, there's a link in the description below, or check on the bio, and you get to sign up for BYBIT. It's free to sign up, and you just learn to do that. So first, this is the interface. As a newbie, I would advise you to use demo trading, and BYBIT has the most advanced demo trading that you can use, real-time prices and stuff. Just use that to explore. But to deposit money, funds, there are a lot of ways that you can deposit your crypto on that. We have the exchange, we have Web3. I always say that just explore the exchange. If you want to use the Web3, where you can connect your wallet, this is also allowed. This is also allowed that you can connect your wallet and do more. But let's use the exchange. We are using most of the times we use the exchange. So you see buy crypto. There's a column that they say buy crypto. The first option, if you are in Africa on BYBIT, is I will say use P2P trading. So P2P trading simply means that you are buying from other colleagues in your region that are also selling crypto. So the P2P is easy. All you just need to know is that if you are buying using a fiat currency, definitely. So I'm using Ghana cedis, and these are the rates. So I can buy from this person. So Avogadro, it says this rate is 16.09 for today per dollar to the cedi. So as easy as it is, all I need to do, you can see here there's a mobile money aspect of it. So you can buy from 100 to 2,000. Minimum is 100 cedis, and maximum he can give you is 2,000 cedis. So you can explore. And this person 100 to 29. This person hard work only says 150 to 10,000 cedis. This one you can get up to even 68,000, 163,000. As like any amount that you want, you can get here. But one thing I want to share with you before we start is always look at the quantity, the order number of orders the person has executed. This person has 2,424 orders. It simply means that definitely the person can be trusted. And 99%, this is okay. 2,581. This person also can be trusted because the numbers are huge. This person hard work only, I will say 350 orders, and the percentage is 94% completion rate. So I may not be able to deal with this person. You can see it's even ineligible. So McMill has over 1,002, so you can trust people of large orders. Yes, you can trust people of large orders like this. 3,000, it's okay. So look for rates that are applicable to you, and also use the orders that you want. So you see, you can also do your own, just make sure that you do your own feeling to be able to see the people you want and how you want them. So now that you do your research, you are done with your research, all you just need to do is to buy USDT. So maybe if I do buy USDT, the interface is like this. When you are using your phone, it's similar to this, but they are giving you maybe 60 minutes or whatever for 15 minutes for this transaction to go through. So what I will do is that, imagine I want 5,000 USD. No, like 1,000. I want to buy 1,000 worth of BTC. So I'm going to get $62. And all I just need to do is to say buy. And once you do buy, the person is going to ask you to allow cash out and also give you the opportunity to just do the transaction. So if I do buy, place on buy, I'm ready to go. And I'll just do the cash out on my mobile money, and he withdraws the money, and we are good to go. Any of them, you can be able to do that. You can use Momo, you can use MTN. Some people also accept back. So the other way you can do is one click buy. It's also like the mobile money, but this one is just fill in your details, how much you want to buy, and they will match you to either a bank or Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank card, add ADV cash and stuff. But in Africa, some of them are not there, especially in Ghana. So maybe the bank may be acceptable. Then you do block. This is new. I'm just seeing this. This is new, the grand final P2P, right. So you can just choose whatever you want to choose in terms of your money, and you are able to do that. So you can also go the fiat deposit way, whereby you use your bank card, easy bank payment to deposit your funds. So SEPA, and this may be applicable to the European customers and stuff. And that is how you do it. So you can use BYBIT card also to do that, and to be able to buy your crypto. So there's another way that you can use, which is you can crypto deposit. You can deposit your funds via crypto. So maybe you have BTC on your Trust wallet, or you have USDT on Binance. You can transfer that to this. So all you just need to do is to let them know what you are going to send and which chain. So it's just BTC network, BTC. Then you just acknowledge whatever it is, and you copy that. This is the address that you copy. You copy this address and send it to maybe your Trust wallet or any wallet, and the transaction can be done from that side. Hey, so this is how you do it. If you are using USDT, which mostly I use, it's USDT, but you need to define the chain to make it easy. I always use TRC20. Some people will say, okay, we are using if you are using by Trust wallet, they will say BEP20. But if you are using, I mostly use TRC to do that. So that is how you are able to transfer funds into your BYBIT wallet. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something. Like this, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to learn how to trade, I have a free course on Udemy and also on my own platform, Gumroad. Pick one and start doing what you want to do. If you can also sign up to BYBIT, the link in the description below, or just DM me and I'll send you the link so that you can do that. You can also get one-on-one coaching from me. Thank you very much. Share. See you in the next video.